Perched above Holmes Run Stream and Glen Hills Park, this stunning brick colonial with a 2-car garage offers incredible views and thoughtful custom upgrades in a charming sidewalk-lined neighborhood filled with cherry blossom trees. This hidden gem blends nature, comfort, and convenience. Step into the updated kitchen featuring solid wood cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. All 3.5 bathrooms have been beautifully renovated. Enjoy mornings or evenings on the expansive wraparound deck, perfect for entertaining or simply soaking in the peaceful sounds of birds and the running creek below. Inside, original hardwood floors, crown molding, and chair rail accents create timeless elegance. The luxurious primary suite features a spa-like bath with an 11-head custom shower and a beautifully designed walk-in closet. This energy-efficient home has been upgraded through a full energy audit to ensure comfort and low utility bills year-round. The fully finished lower level offers flexible living space, a full bath with sauna, and potential for a 5th bedroom, in-law suite, gym, or home office. You're just minutes from the exciting landmark redevelopment, Barcroft Plaza, Shirlington, and major commuting routes. With scenic parks, golf, and gardens nearby, and only 8 miles from DC, this home truly offers the best of everything.